Hello, good morning, students. Today's transcription number 153 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Madam Chairman, I support the demands for grants of the Ministry of Agriculture. During the last 65 years, the country has made tremendous progress in the field of agriculture and irrigation. The first Prime Minister of our country, late Shri Jawaharlal Nehru, had given top priority to agriculture, and it was his endeavor to make the country self reliant in the matter of food grains. It was for this reason that several dams and several projects were set up in the country. Due to the efforts of the Congress government, today our country is self reliant in the matter of food grains. You are aware that the farmer is the backbone of the country, but he is neglected by both the state and the central governments regarding remunerative prices. It is true that the farmer has no association or trade union spirit, and the agricultural sector is an unorganized sector. The position of the farmer is very miserable, and it is true that the farmer is born in debt, lives in debt, and dies in debt. The government has withdrawn the subsidy on fertilizers and pesticides, and the government has also removed the control on their prices. The prices of fertilizers and pesticides have gone up abnormally, and the cost of labor and cultivation has also gone up abnormally. The price of groundnut has fallen down to rupees 700 from rupees 1200. The price of sunflower has fallen down to rupees 800 from rupees 1000, and the price of cotton has also fallen down to rupees 800 from rupees 1500. The farmers are finding it very difficult to dispose of their stocks even at the prevailing price, and the crop produced is lying for want of purchase at the remunerative price. Therefore, the farmers are very much agitated, and they held dharnas and hartals. Farmers have borrowed loan from banks and money lenders who are putting a lot of pressure on the farmers for the repayment of loans. I learnt reliably that they are going to commit suicide in order to get over the difficulty when they are unable to bear the situation. I understand that the Agricultural Prices Commission fixes the prices, support prices for agricultural commodities. I think that the APC members have no knowledge of agriculture and agricultural commodities.